Hello, I'm Matthew Buzzy with PC Mag, and I've got here one of MSI's new gaming announcements from CES. This is the MSI Stealth 14, and as you can see, it comes in two colors. MSI is giving its whole stealth gaming laptop lineup a facelift, and the new Stealth 14 Studio will be the most portable of the bunch when it launches this February. As the Stealth series name implies, this is a laptop focused on slim, sleek designs, so at 14 inches, you can rightly expect this machine to be extremely travel-friendly. It weighs just 3.9 pounds, which is light for a gaming system, and flies under the radar at 3/4 of an inch thick. You can see this laptop has a small footprint and can be carried under your arm or tossed in a bag easily. You can also see these two slick color options, officially named Star Blue and Pure White. You'll see the same color schemes on the larger Stealth 16 Studio, bringing some color and style to the lineup. The Stealth name is also written on the rear, backed with RGB lighting to go with the customizable Perky keyboard lighting. That 14-inch Studio is ready for gaming with a QHD Plus resolution and a 240Hz refresh rate. The addition of Studio also indicates that these laptops are aimed at the professional content creator crowd too. To serve both audiences, the screen not only has a roomy 16:10 aspect ratio, but 100% coverage of the DCI P3 color space. Backing the workloads for both of these types of users will be the latest 2023 mid-range and high-end components from NVIDIA and Intel. The full scale power of the newest generation processors will be saved for much larger machines, like the 16-inch version of the MSI Stealth, but since the 14-inch model will still be a premium system, it should be more than capable. The remaining feature set isn't the most remarkable. This laptop really is about the size, the updated components, and the QHD Plus screen. Still, there's a 720p IR webcam with a shutter, killer Ethernet, and Thunderbolt 4 support. Thanks for checking out our impressions of MSI's new gaming laptop. Stay tuned to PCMag.com for more coverage of CES.